Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brushes on iRobot J7 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to flip our robot upside down like I have right here. Then click on those two yellow levers and put them in the same direction, and then open the hatch. So it should go out like this. And we can't remove it, so it just turns like that. Now to remove the brushes, we'll need to grab one of them and simply pull it from one side like this, and this one the same way. Now also we need to put them in the same direction if we want to replace them, and it goes like this. First we're gonna go with this side. You can also see the icon right here on each side that shows which brush you should put in. There's the pentagon and also the square. So the square and the pentagon. It should go in like this. And when it does rotate, that means we've put it the right way. And another one. Okay, now we can close the hatch and we just replace the main rotating brushes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.